alaikum children. I am Miss Fazal. And how are you children? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, today we will learn that how can we join the dots A to Z in sequence. Okay, now let's start with me. Okay, children, let's start the joining. What is this? A. Very good. We will join A to B. Now what comes after B? C. Very good. And here, where is C? Yes, very good. C is here. Now we will join the B to C. Now we will join the D. Here is E. Yes. E is after D. E, F, G, and what comes after G? H. Very good. And H is here. H, then I, J, K. And what comes after K? L. Very good. Now we will join the L after K. Then M, N, O. And what comes after O? P. Very good. Then we will join the P, then Q, R, S, and what comes after S? Yes, after S it will come T, then U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Very good. Our A to Z are completed. Our small ABCD is completed. Now children, this is your new phonic language series 3. Now open your book. Children, open the page number 3. Open the page number 3 and unit number 1. Children, this page has already done. Children, you have already done this page on board. So you will follow that. After joining the dots, you will complete the picture and color in it. Thank you children. Take care and Allah Hafiz.